When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And a bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Whoa, what do we got here? You know the vibes. We about to unbox this, so stay tuned. Man, shout out to Collective. With your bike, you get tools to assemble it. Just basic tools, but they definitely will help if you don't have any tools. Got the pedals. Hold up. Got the pedals right here. Reflectors and stuff, safety. And then another Allen key. Now, here's the bike. Here it is out of the box. See, C2. I'm about to build it up, and then, yeah. All right, we're about to build the bike. Always use grease for your threads. Don't make the same mistake I made. The hardware for the front wheel is in this little bag. So it goes this, the washer, and then it goes through like that.
James made this beat.
All right, here we got the finished product. Shout out to Ryan Taylor and Collective, the whole team, you know. Shout out to Ryan, Big Collective, you know that. So this is the bike, this is the C2. If you guys wanna get yours, I'll link it in the description. They're out right now. Should be able to get them right now. I don't believe they're sold out yet, so if you guys want, go grab yours right now. Link in description. We're about to be cutting up on this. And yeah, if you guys want to see some C2 work, make sure to comment and subscribe. Shut up. Comment and subscribe. And, you know, we'll be out here soon.